quick reading for June the 3rd to June the 4th, Virgo. Your cards are the Two of Charisma, the Tower, and the Ace of Strength. Parang nagdadalawang isip ngayon dito si person. Tama ba yung ginawa kong pakikipag-separate? Tama ba yung pagsagot ko? Tama ba yung pang-iiwan ko? No? Kasi with the Ace of Strength, parang dito natin nakikita na gusto yata nitong magkaroon kayo ng intimate moments. Pwede itong intimate moments through conversations. The Tower is clarified with the Eight of Charisma and the Moon card. Madami yata itong mga tanong na gustong i-clarify. Pwedeng tanong niya sa'yo or ikaw may tanong ka sa kanya. Parang meron yata ditong sinasabi na, yes, meron akong kasalanan, but hindi lahat ng paratang mo is totoo. So let me explain. So parang wala naman dito itatago si person. Aamin siya kung totoo at talagang ipaglalaban naman niya yung hindi. So this is your quick reading, Virgo, for June the 3rd to June the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.